are a lot of beauty advent calendars still available, but the quality this year has been appalling, and the really, really, really good ones are mostly gone. So I just thought I'd tell you about the non-beauty advent calendars for those looking for something to unbox. There are a lot of choices, you know, from socks to pork to cheese to chocolates to tea to coffee to a lot of things under the sun right now, to alcohol obviously. Chocolate advent calendars, always very popular. Yeah, this is a very short video. I'm filming a lot of things today. I sort of grew up on chocolate advent calendars. My granddad worked in shipping. My dad still works in shipping. So throughout my childhood, both of them used to bring home chocolate advent calendars in, you know, special sets from, you know, other shipping lines and shipping captains, you know, as compliments. And it was lovely. I definitely had a very, you know, chocolate bingy childhood. Galaxy, Cadbury, Dairy Milk, Celebrations, Milky Bar, Ferrero, Kit Kat. Now I know it contains wheat. I don't eat it anymore. White chocolate. Now I don't eat that either because lots and lots of dairy, lots and lots of breakouts. Refined sugar as well, lots and lots of breakouts. Now my skin hates me. But those are some of the things that, some of the advent calendars, chocolate advent calendars that I had a lot of during my childhood. And those are all still available now. So I'm just going to keep this down to the ones that absolutely stand out. Let's start with Lindt Teddy 3D Chocolate Advent Calendar, the cutest thing in creation. Look at that packaging there. $21.99 the price is. They also have an adorable bear advent calendar that doesn't look half as nice. Yeah, that is $14.99. Ignore it. So that is my pick for the chocolate category. One that let me down in the chocolate category is from Harrods. They had a glow-in-the-dark chocolate advent calendar. I opened it quite eagerly to find that only the external box glows. The chocolate doesn't glow. I know, that wouldn't make sense, chocolate to glow. But when you say glow-in-the-dark chocolate advent calendar, it stands to reason, you know, that the chocolate should glow in the dark. Otherwise, don't call it a glow-in-the-dark chocolate advent calendar. Call it glow-in-the-dark external box chocolate advent calendar. Sorry. Kinder has those little eggs, Kinder eggs with gifts inside. Now, most Kinder Advent calendars come with the one gift, so yeah, if you want the more toys, you're better off buying those individual eggs. Peanut butter fans, Reese has their peanut butter advent calendar. I'm allergic to peanuts, not severely, thankfully, so won't be getting that. Joe and Seth's has a beautifully packaged popcorn advent calendar at £16. Children and fans of biscuits might like the Biscuiteers Animal Advent Calendar biscuit tin, $69.99. That tin looks very nice, you know, like those vintage Huntley and Palmer biscuit tins. Sadly, I can't eat any of those with a barge pole. Wheat, people, wheat. Now, in order to dip those biscuits, you might want a couple of tea advent calendars, $10.75. Or the organic red tea bag advent calendar from the English Tea Shop. Now, when all those advent calendar spoilers were announced, and I didn't like the sound of any of them until YesStyle, obviously, but YesStyle hadn't, you know, told me the spoilers at that point. I was on the verge of getting a Lego advent calendar. I'm not into Lego at all, people, because, you know, this one was Harry Potter. Now, the problem here is that there is only Harry, Ron, and Hermione. There are no Slytherin characters. Not Malfoy or Snape or anybody. So I wasn't too interested. £25, that is. Barry Potter or Barry Trotter fans might also like the 12-pair sock advent calendar. 12 pairs of Barry Potter, Barry Trotter socks inside. There is a Slytherin sock in here, but you also have to put up with a Gryffindor sock. Peppa Pig and Paw Patrol have advent calendars if your children are interested in this, you know, in unboxing this. The Paw Patrol one is 10 quid and the Peppa Pig one is 25 quid. Let's move to alcohol. Drinks by the Dram has a number of different advent calendars. There's whiskey, gin and bourbon. The whiskey one is 30 mils each, yeah, each day, 12 day, that is, and that is £55. And if you're really into jewellery, Missoma has a 12-day advent calendar. That is a whopping £395. It's mostly fashion jewellery, not much by way of, you know, fine jewellery with a lot of resale value. You know, not gold as an investment here, people. And if all else fails, the Ginger Ray has a make your own advent calendar boxes. 15 quid, yeah, all you have to do is pop whatever you want into those boxes. So very quickly, those are some ideas for non-beauty advent calendar purchases for this year if all else has failed. What are your thoughts? What else will you be getting apart from beauty? Will you be getting a chocolate advent calendar? Don't do what I did and buy your chocolate calendar too early. I bought mine in October and finished everything off on day 2. So yeah, not a good idea. Now I still have nothing to unbox for Advent. I'll probably get something on November 30th or 29th or something. And then everything will be gone by December 3rd. But it's still better than, everything, being finished up by November 4th. So do tell me your thoughts in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please use the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.